Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build this awesome little account picker where you can pick your accounts. So this is very much similar to Google. So this is a Google account picker. If you hit the login with Google button, basically a pop-up window appears where you can select your multiple accounts. So this is one Google account. You can also add another account here, and you can even sign out from all the Google accounts. So you can see this is a manage section, manage your Google account. This is the avatar image. You can change your avatar image, change the name, change the email address. So this is similar to Google. This is a Google account picker. So basically if you want to log in with Google, this account picker shows which enlist all your Google accounts which are present out there. So this is one. If you want to add another one, then you will click this button. So obviously this is not functional. We are just be creating the UI using Tailwind CSS. So all this beautiful example, it is completely responsive. You can see that. So we'll try to build it from scratch. So it is looking great inside mobile device, tablet and PC. So you have seen this window inside google.com whenever you try to log in with the Google. A list of accounts just shown up. So you can select multiple accounts if you have on Google, whichever account you need to log in with. So we will try to build this user interface, guys. It's looking pretty good. It is made up of box shadow, transition effect, all that stuff. So let's start building this application, guys. This random image will be there, profile, avatar image, then this the name of the person, email address. I have given all the source code in the blog post of my. So this is the blog post inside which all the source code will be given. So you can simply get the full source code. I will give this inside the description. So in the live chat, I have given this source code. So simply just go to it. So now let's start building this component, guys. This login page, login and register account picker. So basically go to your so basically here we will start from scratch. So basically I will open the show preview section. So side by side you will able to see the live preview what we will be building in this live stream. So the very first line we will write, guys, is the a div section. So here it will be a div, parent div. Inside this you will have another div, then we have another div, and here we will show the image of the person. So we will be taking this image from the URL, guys, which is random user API. We will be getting this image. So let me just paste this JPG image. Simply I will paste it. You will now see this is your avatar image. You can even change it to 25, 26. Random images will be there. So any image you can take here. You can see we have taken this image. So after this, what we need to do is that we need to style this image. You can take this image, it is looking good. So after this image tag, we have a paragraph tag, and here basically we will simply say John Williamson. So this is the name that we have given, guys. You can now see. After this, we will put the email address as well. So again, a paragraph. So here we will simply say the email address will be John @gmail.com. So this is the email address, guys, we have given here. So after this we will have a after this paragraph we will have again a div tag. So this time this div tag will be having a anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag this will not go to anything, but we will be just be showing the text which is manage your Google account. So manage your Google account, like this. So now basically we will style it. So this section is complete. So basically now we will style this anchor tag. So for styling this anchor tag, we will attach a class which is called as, we need to give some border to it. So we'll say border, we will assign some border to it, and this border will be rounded full. like this. And we also need to give some padding from the y direction, you can now see, and from the x direction as well. So px2, sorry, px4. So now you can see that. And also guys, we also need to change the font as well. So we will simply say text dash xx. So this will be extra small. So these are uh, Tailwind utility classes, guys, which makes it very much easy to design any sort of user interface inside CSS. You need not have to write custom CSS for this. And now we can change the font to semi-bold. Now this will be a semi-bold. If you want to change it to full bold, like this, it will change to. But there are also semi-bold classes. And now if you want to change the text gray to 700, you can put this 700. That's it. So this section is now your style, guys. Now you can see that this is successfully styled. Now we will move to the parent div here, which is we will give margin from the top position. We will say empty 5. So this will have some space from the top position. So now you can see that. So now guys, we will target our this paragraph, which is johnwilliamson@gmail.com. So here we need to style this. We will say class. So here we will give the class. First of all, we will make the text small. So text SM, it stands for small. And also we will change the text color to gray, and the shade we will say 600. So now you can see that. Also guys, we will be attaching the styles to this name, which is John Williamson. So class is equal to, we will give padding from the top. So we will say 2. So padding will be 2 here. And also we will make the text large like this. And also we will change the font to semi-bold. So now you can see that. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, guys. Now we will style this image. For styling this image, we will give it a class name, which is called as, we'll make the height to be 24. So the width to also 24. You can see that. And this image will be rounded full, guys. So this will be converted to a circle. You can now see it is converted to a circle. So like this avatar image. And also we will make this margin to be auto. So right here, this will, if I do this, it will be there in the center of the screen. So it is so nice to see, guys. You can now see we are styling this. That's it that you need to do. And right here inside the parent div, you need to attach some classes. So the first class will be to make all the text appear in the center of the screen, the name, email address, and this section. For this, we will simply say text center. If you do this, now basically your all the elements will move in the center of the screen. So you can see name, email address, and this is your button. And next, we also need to give some padding. So we will say P6. So now you can see it has some padding. We also need to say border bold. So now they basically it will have a border effect as well. Border bold. So that's it, guys. Now we will attach some classes to it. Basically, if you now open this inside your browser, basically it will have this border here that you see here. And this is the avatar image, this is the name of the person, email address, and this is your manage your account button. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So after this, we need to do something. So here we will target this div. We will first of all change the background to white, BG white, and basically we will make the width, which we will simply say SM is equal to, on small devices make the maximum width to full, and maximum width should be on medium devices as well. And also we will simply say that it should be rounded, overflow should be hidden, so overflow hidden. And we also need to assign some shadow as well, guys. So shadow large. So now this will give this shadow effect, guys. You can now see this is have some box shadow. You can also say extra large, extra small, or small, like this. So if you say large, in this case, large shadow will be assigned here. So if you open now, large shadow, you will now see it is there. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that, so this is complete, guys. This section is complete. So basically after this, this div, we will have another div tag, and this time we will be giving a class to it of border B. We will have another border right here. So if you see, we have another border here like this. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that basically inside this we will have an anchor tag. This will not go to anything, and basically it will simply say inside this anchor tag we will have a basically a div. Inside another div we will have paragraph which will have the text Johnny Depp like this. This will be another account, and after this we will put the email address as well. So this will be Johnny Depp @gmail.com. So this is the email address. That's it. So now we need to attach the classes, guys. So for this email address, we will style this. We will make the text to extra small, and then we will change the gray text color to gray color, which is this one, 600 shade. And same we will do this for this one also, text small, and also we will change the font to semi bold. Text to extra small, font to semi bold. So after this, if you change it to bold, it will again change to some other text here. So now you can see that it changes to semi bold here. So here in this div here, guys, we also need to give this padding from the left position 3. So now it has some space. So now we need to go to the this div section here. Basically we'll make the width to 8, height to also 8. So you can now see we will change the background to blue 700. So now you can see that, and we will make it a rounded full. This will be converted to a circle. And text center, we will also say align the in the center position, align middle. This is a class, and we will change the text to white color. So now you can see, and basically we will change the text to large text, and content center, and basically here you will simply say D like this. If you see D, so this is your profile avatar image, guys, which is ready here. So you need to close this div here. So now you can see we have this icon, and this is the name, this is the email address. So after this, guys, what we need to say, Now we will style this anchor tag, which you see. So first of all, the padding from the X direction 6, padding from the Y direction 3, and basically whenever we hover onto this, we need to change the background color to gray. So now it changes the background color, and basically the positioning will be flex. So now you can see it will be coming side by side. If you now open this inside browser, you can now see something like this that you clearly see inside your Google account picker. It's a nice little menu we have developed, guys. You can now see. So after this, guys, we can give it this class border B. That's it. So after this anchor tag is over, guys, we will have similarly all these classes we just need to attach. We will have the second list item which will be present. Just copy it and paste it. So if you paste it, this will be the icon which will be shown here. Add another icon, another account, sorry. Same classes will be attached here. You can see now see we are choosing this icon which is present here. User mail, you can now see. So then guys, what we do is that after this anchor tag is there, after this div we will have another section. So this section will be again having this border B class. Here we will be having text sign out of all accounts. So now you can see that. So we need to style this sign off to. We need to give it a border, round it, and py2 px4 padding from the x direction. Text we need to say extra large, extra small. You can now see. And font we will simply say semi-bold, and text gray 700 70, sorry. So now you can see that. So this parent div we need to attach some classes, guys. px6 py4. Also we need to align this text in the center position. And now you can see that this is a button which is ready here, sign out of all accounts. Similarly, we will have, after this div is over, another section which is for privacy policy and terms of service. This is just a footer section that contains these two items, span elements. So I think, guys, I have explained you step by step how to build this nice little account picker inside Google that you see clearly inside Tailwind CSS. So I have given all the classes, I have given all the source code in the description of the live stream. So do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you can now see this is very awesome Google account picker that we have developed from scratch. So if you have any sort of problem, you can ask in the comment section. So 5 people are watching the stream, guys. So in this tutorial, we have made a Google account picker inside Tailwind CSS. So you have seen this Google account picker whenever you want to log in inside your Google account. So we have different accounts inside Google, so you can add a new account, sign out of all the accounts. So this is completely responsive. We have made this from scratch inside Tailwind CSS. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. All the source code will be there inside the description of this live stream. So I have also given inside the pinned comment inside live chat, so you can go to it. Let me pin this comment. You can see the comment is pinned here. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. It's a Google account picker. Whenever you sign up with Google or log in inside Google, that a pop-up window appears, guys, whenever you want to log in with Google. So we have made successfully this window using Tailwind utility classes. So I have shown you step by step. So if you want to hit the like button, subscribe the channel, hit this button. I'm seeing, guys, people are not liking the content. Only 5 likes are there. So increase these likes to 20 likes, the target.